What's up? In this video, we're going to scratch and drop on beat 2, but we'll be ending our 4-bar phrase with a quarter note, and we'll make our transition on beat 2. If you're unfamiliar with this terminology or you don't know how to read music, watch this video, then check out our Baby Scratch playlist. That series should fill in any gaps. Alright, let's go over the phrase. Here we go. Let's make sure that you're not rushing or dragging the beat. Focus on playing a steady and even tempo on beat. If you're having problems staying steady and even, slow down the music. We don't want to sound sloppy. Let's move on to the transition. If you ever have problems with your playing being steady and even, slow down the music. Learning to scratch a new rhythm is a task in itself, and on top of that, you're scratching into another song and dropping it on beat 2. That's a lot going on at once. Always remember that you can take any of the rhythms that we go over with you and add them to your practice routine. Once you get comfortable, work on combining the scratch phrase and the transition. We hope this helps you out, and if it does, share it with a friend. Peace.